Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this makeup video, I am going to show you how we do a cut crease eye makeup. If you're a professional makeup artist, then you must learn the cut crease eye makeup as it is in high demand. So let's get started. The very first thing is our eyebrows. I am filling my eyebrows with Swiss Beauty eyebrow palette. You can use the dark brown shadow from your eyeshadow palette as well. You can choose the color according to your hair color and skin tone. Use an angular brush to make sure you give a nice shade to your brows. Now I am using faux concealer to enhance my eyebrows. A medium-sized applicator brush will be good for this. Concealing your eyebrow edges is very important step. Then with the same concealer, I am covering my eyelid and blending it. Now lock the base with some loose powder. Now I am applying the purple shadow from my HR palette. Apply it above the crease. Now I am blending it with a lighter shade of purple. Now blend it with black and dark blue shade to give an amazing depth in your colors. I took an earbud and my makeup remover and cleaning the crease area with it. Now I am applying concealer on the eyelid. Make sure to use a good makeup brushes set for amazing results. Apply the bronze shade on the eyelid. Creamy shadows are an important product for your makeup kit. Now apply the glitter on it. I am using Swiss Beauty liquid glitter here. This is another very good and affordable product. You must include it in your makeup kit. Apply mascara and your mink lashes. And your cut crease eye makeup is done. Let me know what you think about this cut crease eye makeup in the comments section. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram for more updates.